Got full box, Tucson EDC gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. Quick unboxing and look through them. So first of all, there is a pen, keychain pen. Opens up this way. Boom. Very small, perfect. 2-finger pen. It's titanium, so high quality. And it has like waterproof and water resistance. Nice. Okay, let's keep on going. Some of them have names on the side of the box, some don't. Okay, this is a knife. Ooh, that one is cool. That's a little like a dog tag style. So small, 2-finger knife. One of those cleaver knives looks like, but much smaller. TS266. That's cool. I like it. Okay, let's see what this one is. Oh, this one is a pen, like a first one, except green. Anodized green. That's what it's called whenever they paint a titanium. It's like anodized. Okay, let's see what else we have. Again, no labels on these ones. Ooh, check this out. This is a really nice titanium pen. Window breaker right here. And how does this work? Ooh, comes off this way. Wow, looks even better. Anodized, like bronze with blue. So cool. And this goes on. Very cool. Okay, let's keep on going. Tucson makes a lot of different stuff. There's just a scratch on the surface. There's a knife, highly oiled up. Ooh, this is quite comfortable. There is a logo for Tucson. I like that drop point D2 blade. Very cool. Liner lock, and it's very smooth. Wow. Interesting. Almost wanna like pop in and close. Very nice knife right here. Let's keep on going. Okay, this one probably will be EDC tool. No, another pen, different style, and this one has like a little window breaker, looks like. Yeah, there's a window breaker, and it's on spins and flips over, becomes much bigger pen. I love that style. So it's a little bit different, pineapple cutouts, but very small also with the window breaker and a liner like lanyard hole over there too. Let's keep on going. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, this one is very unique too. I don't know if I'd use that hole. Maybe like for bottle opener. It's kind of comfortable to hold it this way and open it. Smiley face. That's cool. Another one right here, anodized Pioneer EDC nail puller, and also this is pry bar, open cans, and this is sharp enough to cut through tape with ease. Okay, what else we got here? Flying through them. Okay, this is WS03. Some of them do have labels. Nice. Whistles, titanium whistles, actually pretty expensive, and a lot of people like them. There's some kind of plastic in here. Okay, what's in here? Ooh, no way, this is a whistle lighter, and this just pops out. It fills in here, close back in, and it will keep the lighter fluid in there easily because it has a rubber in here. Very loud. I love it. Very good option for the whistle. Okay, this is another titanium pry bar, very similar, except now we have like a bottle opener right here, pry bar right here. I love that machinery. There's a wrench, and very important, some people love to have pocket clips. This one doesn't have one, this one does have one. Very cool. And it's reversible. Nice. Only have a couple more. EDC 13. Very similar. Bottle opener this way or this one. This one has a flat edge. Just a different preference. Does not have a clip, but it's perfect. Scrape something off. Pioneer EDC. Very good option for pry bar. EDC 17C. What we got here? Another one on the dice, but a little bit different. Bottle opener, lightweight titanium, Pioneer EDC again. Very cool. I don't know what is the hole for. I guess it's kind of cool and comfortable. Open the cans, like maybe fidget with it. Very unique. I like how it's a big screwdriver, look like pry bar. Sharp edges to cut toolboxes. Beautiful. I know how to choose. All these pry bars, EDC tools are so cool. For the next gadget, I got it here, waterproof lighter case. So let's open it up, see what it's all about. This one is actually glow in the dark. This one sells out pretty quickly. I showed you one before, but not a glow in the dark. So as you can see, it's going to look like this. Okay, just put the lighter in, and it's cool that it's a see-through, so you have a little hook for the like a keychain carabiner. Because now it's waterproof, you can hang it onto a backpack. Let's see. Put the cup in, so you have two carabiners right here. I probably would put carabiner 2 here and onto my camping backpack, so whenever I need to pull it up, this can stay on the backpack and you can use the lighter. Pretty sure this can go all the way over the lighter and get hooked up here. Can stretch out all the way back this way, and then you can light a lighter and not worry about holding it. It's quite tight though to do that. Might have to use something to pull it all the way back there. Did you know that titanium dice are actually very expensive? So let's check this out. Who is the maker? Undead Dice. That's hilarious. D22, so that's a maker, and it's 2007. And as you can see, it's beautiful. There's the 6s. It's a little bit pointy edges, quite sharp. There's a whole bunch of different titanium dice, but how beautiful it is. You can see this one's been used quite a bit, and it has the same markings on each, but I don't know if it's been used because all the scratches are pretty much the same. Maybe it came out this way out of the machine. Yeah, probably, whenever it was drilling into it. I love it. So this is my first titanium dice set. Quite heavy, but it is fun to play with. I don't know, like a little fidgety little toy